So I got today Bella. She got a new bowl. The cheese bowl tastes like chicken, and I'll try it to play with her with this bowl. And after I will put the ball after back of that trees, and I want to find her if it's good and she smells the bowl. Lasso, Bella, come here, heel, 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 sit, wait, wait, she will stay waiting there. Bella, wait, and go to that tree. I'll put a ball now on the third tree. Wait! And I want to know if she finds the ball like last time. Wait! She wants to come. I'll try to put the ball here first. Wait! And wait! She stayed there. Try to put the ball here, but not to put the ball here. Yeah. I put the ball on this tree. I'm not sure if she see me or not. Put the ball here. Wait! Yeah, she's on the top. I'll go back off. She stayed there and waiting for me. Wait! Very nice weather. Lovely time. I'm training her. Yeah, nice weather. Lovely day. Bella, wait. Stay here. Good girl. Got to find the ball. Find the ball. Check, check. Smell it. Find the ball. That's it. She got it. Good boy. Good Bella. Good girl, Bella. Good girl, Bella. There we go. Come here. Come here. Bella. Good girl, Bella. Bravo, Fat. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Bella.